Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you click here in this page. Then this list of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.